Hi, welcome to ECTRA Equity Pro, a trading guide for your trading career. Equity Pro, a educational guidance product of ECTRA, Equity Commodity and Training Research Academy. ECTRA, the mission is creating structured and disciplined process of trading for you. 8 years in this market, various levels of training, and conducted more than 1,500 training programs with a learner base of 5,000 plus. We also have the product ranging from training, which is for the newcomers to the market as well as the active people in the market. We have the guidance product, post-training support as a guidance for continuous learning. We do develop educational materials such as books and DVDs. TR Arun Rajan with the 25 years of experience in financial market, empaneled trainer with NSE and NISM. I also authored a book in Tamil called Sariyana Parvai about stock market, the right perspective on the stock market in English. I also published a book called Traderly Ushar through Vigaran Publications. I do appear in the regional channels, stock market related programs. Trading is an art. For a successful trading, we need to set the rules for this game. The rule of the games, ECTRA devised four important rules. One is risk management, second is right opportunity, third is retaining the profit, what you've already seen, fourth is the acceptance of small losses. Let us go in detail about these four rules. Risk management. First of all, when you wanted to get into the trade, the risk management is the key to keep your emotions away. When I say emotions away, first we should keep the risk per trade. Then second thing is how much risk we are prepared to take for the day. The third important thing is how much risk we are ready to take for our entire trading career. So all these three are very important before we come into the trading. Right opportunity means here wait for it and make use of the support and resistance to make an entry. Stock market is open at 9:15 a.m. and trade till 3:30 p.m. But we cannot trade for the entire time period with n number of trades. As well, there are more than 1,500 companies are traded. We cannot trade in all 1,500 companies. We are supposed to choose few companies from them and analyze and find out the right place to go long in the short and wait for the right place to come. When I say right price, it is close to the support or the resistance levels. We are now talking about the right opportunity. The method what we follow is going to be breakout trade for the long. Whenever the price crosses the resistance level, we should buy as well keep the stop loss below the support level. When we say breakdown trade, we initiate a short position whenever the price crosses the support level. Also, we keep the stop loss above the resistance level. This is the breakout trade and breakdown trade method we are going to follow in general successful trading. So technical analysis training program conducted by ECTRA covers in depth on all these topics and much more tools. So retaining the profit, the third rule, it is nothing but safeguarding your profit. Whenever there is a profit, it is the responsibility of the trader to make sure that comes to your account. Never allow the profitable trade to end up in losses. After a trade, the price is not reached to a desired exit point, you will have to plan to exit with a small profit or even at break even. So follow the rules and play the disciplined game to become a successful trader. The fourth and very, very important rule is acceptance of the loss. When I say acceptance, it's a mindset. Despite all technical analysis, you should understand 3 out of 10 trades, there's a possibility to go wrong. We should have the mindset to accept because market is not in our hands. Play by other rules as a majority of the trades should end up in profit. So do not let the loss go beyond the risk plan in rule number 1 and accept and move on, else you will miss on the further opportunities. So ECTRA's buying rules are devised with a method called breakout trade. I'm just explaining with an example. Identify the support and resistance. 198, 200 is an example. Here, the price crosses the resistance level of 200, we buy. I'm keeping small buffer, maybe 10 paisa for 100 rupees and 200 rupees share, it is 20 paisa. Once crosses, you can have small buffer to buy. Once we buy, we should keep the stop loss below the support. 198, the support, we keep it below to this with some buffer. Then the second opportunity is after the breakout, the price may come down close to the resistance level, which may act as a support. Now you can give an entry little above this 200, that is example 200.20. Once we give an entry, we should keep the stop loss. This time it is below the resistance level, which is acting as a support. Now this time it is a smaller risk, here it is a bigger risk, but it is a risk per share only. But you will divide the risk per share based on the risk per trade. So number of shares will be less here, number of shares will be more here. This is the breakout trade, when to buy. Then when to sell, breakdown trade. You should identify the support and resistance. Wait for the price to break the support level. For example, 198 is broken, and then below to this you initiate a short. And keep the stop loss above the resistance level. Sometimes when the price break down and bounce back, we call it a pullback, it comes closer to the support and turns down, then you can initiate a short position. This time the stop loss is above the support level, which is acting as the resistance. Now this is the way to we can go short. So the Equity Pro is giving you the right guidelines. It is the educational guide for the people who are coming to this market with a very simple rules of trading. It also helping you to identify where is the support and where is the resistance. This is the breakout and the breakdown trade we follow for our intraday trading as a strategy to make an entry and exit. Who can use this? The person who is interested to make an entry with the right analysis and willing to take a calculated risk and become a professional. Ectra Pro also help you to trade successfully as a long-term trading journey with the pleasant results. The Ectra devised these four rules for your successful trading. Whom it is meant for? We divide the people into two categories, high risk and low risk. People who are willing to take a risk of 3,500 rupees to 5,000 can enter to the futures Nifty, futures bank Nifty, and futures stocks. So Equity Pro is divided into two categories. For the risk takers, there is an opportunity in this area. As well as people who are not ready to take a bigger risk, they can come to the cash segment, where even 100 rupees can be your risk per trade. Accordingly, you can plan the quantity. So Ectra provides through Equity Pro two regular companies on cash segment and three companies based on the opportunities for the day. We will have a glance at how the guidance product works. This is Equity Pro, the cover page. Um, I want you to remember all the rules before you start the trade. So I have given here in this PDF file, every day you will look into these rules before you start your trade: risk management, right opportunity, retaining the profit after seeing the profit, accepting the loss when it is going beyond your control, and how you make the trade, the support and resistance, the breakout, okay, and the level 1 and 2 book. After breaking out, suppose the price is falling back, you can also make an entry here and book at level 1 and 2 with 50 to 100%. And short also below the support level, and after breaking support level, sometimes it bounces back. How you can use it to make an entry. So this is the method of trading, which I remind you every time you start your trade morning. Gap up, gap down is also a very important phenomenon you should understand, because every day nowadays it happens. So how to handle gap up? The gap up means it may open beyond our resistance level. We cannot use that level immediately to buy. In that scenario, wait for some time, let the market settle down. It can be few candles formation. It can be 5 minutes candle or a 15 minutes candle. Wait, let the candle formation is happening in the sideway for some time. You can use a high and low to mark the support and resistance, then wait for a breakout or a breakdown. Majority of the time, whenever the price gaps up, it tend to fall, and whenever it gaps down, tend to go up. This is how we should use the gap up and gap down. When price gaps down, similarly wait for some time, for a few candles, let the price settle down. Use a high and low to draw the support and resistance. Once it breaks upside, go long. Once it breaks the low side, go short. But majority of the time, the gap down goes up. But in the variations will be there. You should understand based on the experience. The Equity Pro also gives you the information about what happened yesterday based on the Equity Pro guidelines. A look at yesterday's trade. Here you can see this is a future segment, Nifty, Bank Nifty, TCS. Wherever it worked in your favor, that's shown with a thumbs up. Wherever it is not or stop loss triggered, is shown in thumbs down. Similarly for the cash segment also, wherever the success comes in, is shown with the thumbs up. Of course, majority of the time it is a thumbs up for your information. And today's opportunity is given in the two segments, only the future segment where Nifty Bank Nifty TCS is given on regular basis with a resistance level and support level. Once the resistance is broken, wait for a entry and book around the level 1 and 2. If the price breaks the support level, wait for the entry. Once it breaks, go short and book around level 1 and 2. The stop loss is vice versa. For the stop loss of long, keep below the support level. For the stop loss of short, keep above the resistance level. This is how you should plan your trade. Similar fashion, we are giving you the cash segment with the 5 scripts, 2 on regular basis, take Mahindra Axis Bank for an example, and other 3 scripts based on today's opportunities. You can also follow ECTRA market updations in Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, under ECTRA Fin Academy tag. We do live futures Nifty analysis in YouTube, ECTRA TV English channel as well as ECTRA TV Tamil channel. At 11 o'clock in the ECTRA TV Tamil channel, we do the live analysis. At 11:15, we do the live analysis of Nifty in the English channel. So there are some of the success stories of the subscribers and the participants in the market here. You can also watch the live feedback when people are attending the live analysis also. So play by the rule and utilize the Equity Pro as a successful trading journey.